All right, folks, welcome to the very first Peasant Portfolio update. And if you don't know what's going on here, basically, I had a little bit of money, as you see up here, starting capital left over after taxes this year. And I decided instead of trying to learn some investment strategy or whatever and burying myself for small returns on such a small amount of capital, I was going to have fun. I was going to buy only things I was interested in, invest, quote unquote, invest in things I was interested in or I thought sounded fun. So that's what I've been doing, pretending to be a rich person and buying whatever I want. If that sounds funny to you, do smash that subscribe button and follow along to see how long it takes me to lose all my money. And as always, anything you see on this channel is not financial advice. Please refer to the name of the channel. I am a peasant. Don't take advice from me. So basically what we're looking at, we've just over a month. I started with $1,500. I've spent $660 essentially, which is now worth essentially $672 at this present moment. I have $840 in cash left, so we're looking at $12 in profit at the moment, and that's almost a 1% return on my money. If you need a refresher on what I have invested in, those videos will be linked in the description below. But also, I will quickly go over each of these. So the first two items you see here, So Jaded and Simply Joking, are racehorses. Let's jump over to Commonwealth and take a look at what I have here. Here's Simply Joking and So Jaded. So Jaded is a 2-year-old, as you see here. So this horse will not be racing right now. At the earliest, I believe it would be the end of this year. He might be in some races, but we're more looking at 2026 for his 3-year-old year for him to be running and hopefully challenging for some of the big races like the Derby. In the very best case scenario, he's racing in the Derby and that kind of stuff. The odds are not great, but they're not terrible. He's a racehorse. Every racehorse has a chance, right? The other horse is Simply Joking. She did run in the Kentucky Oaks. She did not have a great race. She finished near the bottom of the field. And I believe she picked up a bit of an injury there, but not a serious injury, a very minor injury. But she's taking about a month or so off from racing at the moment. But she will be racing some more as the year goes on. So hopefully we'll have some more encouraging results going forward. She has already won some money, but that was before I invested, so I haven't earned any money from my share of that. So thus far, the peasant stables have returned no money, but we do still theoretically have the full value of our investment there, right? So that's why it's reflected as 100 and 100, because basically these investments, if they win money, I will get some tiny percentage as income. And if the horse is ever sold, then I will be paid back whatever value that will be, and it will move over to the closed positions. Obviously, I haven't closed any positions yet, but that's what's happening with the racehorses. As far as the football team, Manchester United, that value has gone up. This is where all our profit is coming from. Since we purchased, Man United has jumped up a little bit, and we've earned $12 on our 10 shares, a little over $1 per share, which is quite nice. I believe we bought, I think it was down in here somewhere, and now it's popped up a little over 14. Our baseball team, the Atlanta Braves, that has basically stayed dead even. It's currently 43.45. I think I paid around 43.70. So yeah, it's down a few cents a share, which is accounting for our 81-cent loss, but it's nothing to be concerned about. Coco Global is the next item on the list, which is a lifestyle property chain. They are basically a property development chain that's based in Bali and has had some success, and now they're branching out, trying to build more of this kind of digital nomad hipster type housing in different areas around the world. And so I have invested my $100. It's reserved, it's locked in, whatever. But this is going to be something that's going to take time to develop, probably a couple of years before we really see anything happening with this. Hopefully they're building a good business and it will return profits in the future, but we shall see. The final item on the list is Steward, which is sustainable agriculture investment. It's basically a lending platform for sustainable agriculture producers, and I've invested $100 with them. It's theoretically going to return a 6.5% return going forward. So hopefully over the next few months, we'll start to see some income popping into this column. And yeah, that's basically where we're at with the Peasant Portfolio. Not a ton of exciting stuff going on just yet. We're still building it up. We have over $800 to spend. If you have suggestions of things I should be investing in that fit the mold and the idea of this channel, let me know. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments below. If you enjoy this video or you think it's hilarious the way I'm quote unquote investing the money, go ahead and hit that like button. If you think it's stupid, you can also hit the like button. Let me know in the comments why I'm stupid. Do make sure you're subscribed so you do catch future videos, whether you're hate watching or you're actually enjoying the odd adventure. Either way, do subscribe and let me know what I should be doing in the next few videos. I have a couple video ideas queued up, don't worry. We'll be back next week. But yeah, I'm always interested to hear input and feedback from you folks. So thanks again for watching and have an absolutely beautiful day.